G'day guys. So I went to Bird and Burger again, place near me, and I got the Big Bird burger. It's two grilled pieces of chicken, bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and their so we'll have a look at it anyway, and I'll show you what's on it. Ready? Let's have a look. It's Big Bird. It's a big burger. Look at that. Big. Right, let's have a look at it. Oh, saucy. Look at that sauce. Right, we'll just have a quick look, see what's on it, right? A look-see. Right, this is the top, the bun. That looks like mayonnaise there. Then you got the first grilled chicken with, it's got spicy sauce on this one, so it's got spicy sauce there. Then you got another bit of chicken, so 2 bits of chicken. All right, what was it, 4 bits of chicken, 2 more bits of chicken. Wow, this has got chicken galore. Oh no, that's bacon. There's bacon on that as well. Hang on, turn the light on. There's bacon on this. Yeah, so there's 4 bits of chicken, and this is the bacon, and there's another bit of chicken there too. So it's 5 bits of chicken and some bacon there. Lettuce. This is massive, guys. That's why they call it the Big Bird, right? Crazy. Yeah, it's got like, I counted 5 bits of chicken. Let's give this a go. I don't know if we're able to get my mouth around this. I couldn't see the bacon because there was so much chicken. But there's bacon there. This is good, really good. Anything with that much chicken is going to be good. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. So